Coach, just wanted to send a congratulations video from Tokyo. What a ride it's been. Thank you so much for all the wonderful things and opportunities that you have given to me. We won a couple of games, but most of all what I will take away from you is all the life lessons that you have taught me through the many years that we had a chance to be together. Coach, thanks again. Congratulations. Get out on the golf course a little bit, and on Wisconsin.
Coach, I want to say thanks for teaching me so much about the game, for teaching me toughness, discipline, work ethic, consistency, and most of all, thank you for letting me be part of such an incredible run, and wish you all the best in retirement.
Hi, this is Ryan Evans tuning in from France, and I'm here to say thank you to the teacher, the author, the philanthropist, the businessman, the chameleon, my coach, Bo Ryan. Thank you for showing me how success is obtained and maintained, whether it be in the classroom, on the court, or in the community. I'm a better man today because of that man. Take care, brother, and enjoy retirement.
Hey, Coach Ryan. I just wanted to thank you for everything you taught me during my 4 years at Wisconsin. It was a pleasure getting to know you, and you really helped me grow as a player and as a person, and I'm very thankful for that. And I'm proud to say that I was coached by one of the best of all time. I wish you nothing but happiness in retirement, and once again, thank you.
Hey Coach, just want to say congratulations on your retirement. On a personal level, I want to thank you for bringing me into the Wisconsin basketball family. I hope you can enjoy your retirement and get a few more rounds of golf in.
Coach, what's going on? Just wanted to say what's up from Berlin, Germany. The word spread quick across the pond that the legends hanging them up, so I just wanted to say congratulations on an unbelievable career, going down as one of the best to ever do it. And also just wanted to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to achieve my goal of playing basketball professionally. We're going to miss watching you over there on the sidelines, and I'm still looking for someone to hound the referees for me the way you did. But it's truly an honor to play for you, and obviously wish you and Mrs. Ryan all the best, and then the rest of your family, and tell everyone I said hello. I'll talk to you soon. All right.
Met each other a long time ago, back when I was at Stanford. He was just starting at Platteville, and developed an immediate friendship and relationship that carried through my days at Iowa, through his days at Platteville, and I actually sought advice on a coaching position when this position opened up, and so it was almost kind of like working for a friend, and then obviously the respect I have for what he's accomplished. I've been in this league a long time. I know where Wisconsin was and is now, and obviously he's a big part of that.
He's been the face of this program for a long time. He is what I have always associated Wisconsin basketball with, and everything positive that is associated with that. The winning, the culture, the academic standards of players. These things are not secrets to anyone in the basketball world.
Taylor with 3.9 seconds to play. He'll launch it for three at the horn. He got it. They're going to the Final Four. He'll hoist one up. He hit it. Don't wake him up. Taylor's on fire.
Ken Barnes and Michael Finley were the top single-game scorers in Wisconsin history, each pouring in 42 points in a game. That is until November 19th, 2013, when junior forward Frank Kaminsky had a game for the ages and took his first steps into the national basketball spotlight. Kaminsky had 21 points at the break and kept on firing in the second half. 16 of 19 from the field, including all 6 shots he took from behind the arc.
My goodness.
43 points in all, and the top spot on the single-game list for the Badgers.
Here's the throw to Kaminsky on the right wing with a shot fake. Drives in the lane, up, and that's the record. Left-hand layup, Frank Kaminsky, a single-game school record, 43 points.